Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for joining us and we hope that you stick around. So today I'm going to be doing a collaboration video with Dai Nails here on YouTube, and I'll have her link in the description box, so go on and check her out right after you finish watching this video. So we're just going to get started. Let's go. Okay loves, so we're gonna start with this gel polish right here. It's called Sycamore Street and it's by Born Pretty, and I absolutely love this color. Between this color and another color that I have, it's called Cage Birds. Those are my two favorite colors in the world. I absolutely adore and love them. So I'm just gonna go into all 5 fingers with this color, and I'm just gonna put it straight from cuticle to free edge. And quickly, I just want to get into the collaboration that I'm doing today. So it is going to be a marble theme, which I'm kind of excited about because I haven't really done marble nails before. So this is going to be something new to my channel, and I hope you guys really enjoy and like what turns out. So this collaboration is with Dai Nails, and she is super cute, guys. So I definitely want you guys to go on and check out her video after you guys are done watching, and her link will be down in my description box so you guys can just grab it really easily. So I'm just gonna go in with another Born Pretty gel polish, and this one is called Day, and it's just the perfect white. So I'm just gonna take that with like one of my striping brushes. This is nothing fancy. This brush is actually just really tarnished and wasted, but that's kind of the vibe that I'm kind of going for. I want it to be pretty messy and just not perfect. So I'm just taking it up the nail in kind of like an S motion, or like a snake kind of motion. And then I'm going in with some rubbing alcohol, and I am just fanning out the edges of that because I don't want any harsh lines on the edges. I kind of want it to look like it's fading out. And then I'm going to go on both nails and do that. Once I'm done doing that, I'm just gonna go and take some extra rubbing alcohol on my brush and just clean up any of the lines that I don't really like, anything that's harsh or anything like that. And now I'm just gonna go into my pinky, and I'm taking a more refined liner brush, and I'm gonna go in and just kind of start by tracing out the line that I want up the side of the nail. I'm just taking this kind of slowly and trying to keep it perfected so that my lines don't get too wonky and they're pretty nice and straight. So I want it to come in towards a V, but then I'm going to start rounding out the top edge. So where my free edge is, I'm going to start rounding it out because I want a very deep French. I really love the look of the deep French. It's like so trendy and just super cute. So I just go ahead and perfect that, and now I'm gonna go in on my index finger as well, and I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm just taking the white up the sides of the nail, and then I'm bringing it towards the center, but I don't want to go into a complete V because I'm going to do a U shape, kind of is how I can explain it to you guys. So I'm going straight up the side and then into a U shape so that I can have that really nice deep V. Sorry, not that deep V. What am I saying? I'm losing it, guys. So I'm gonna have that deep U, so a nice deep French. Okay, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing on my thumb. Sorry guys, this seems a little repetitive, but nonetheless, it's gonna be beautiful, and I hope you guys like it as much as I do because it turned out so nice. Okay, let me not spoil it. Well, I guess it would have already been spoiled because you would have saw the thumbnail, and that kind of ruined it already. But anyways, it did turn out so beautiful, so I'm happy with it, and that's all that counts. So I'm just gonna finish up this nail, and then after we're gonna get into my favorite part of the day, as everybody knows, and that's some more hand painting. But this is like the fun part of the hand painting. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so really quickly, I'm going to be grabbing this jelly color from my cart, and it's in a lime green color. It's actually really beautiful, but it's not the green that I'm going for. So I am going to grab this blue color from my cart as well, and these all came in one package. So it's like a one-stop shop. But I just wanted to create the green that I wanted because the lime green was a little bit too light for me, and I wanted it to be darkened up a little bit, so I just added a tiny tip of blue, and then that kind of just made it the perfect color that I wanted it to be. I just feel like when working with gel polishes, sometimes you have to be creative because it can get really expensive if you want to have every single color of the rainbow and the colors in between the rainbow. And I mean, just getting creative kind of helps you with that little expense. So this is my way of kind of just having all the colors I need at hand, even though I don't have all the colors. You know, so I just went right over the white that I did with the green color just because that was the original idea that I had in mind. I wanted it to be green, but because it is jelly colors, it would have been see-through, and that wasn't the look that I was going for. So now I'm going to take the Sharpies, and this is, I guess, a little hack right here. I saw this over here on YouTube, and I binge watched like 1,000 videos, and I really wanted to try it out. So this is me trying it out, and it worked very well. So I just chose the neon collection of Sharpies, and I really like how the neon green and the neon blue turned out. I didn't put too much of the blue because I didn't want to be overpowering. The kind of look that I was going for was more on the green neon side. Anyways, I just added the blue just to add some tones to it, so it wasn't just one flat color. And I couldn't believe how well the neon green turned out with the green that I made. It wasn't quite strong enough, so I decided that I was going to go in with a second coat of the neon green after curing and adding a second layer of top coat. And then I'm just going to go into both nails again. I'm not going to be adding any more blue at this point because I was very happy with the amount of blue that I had, and I kind of just went over onto my natural nail color as well. And now I'm just taking some rubbing alcohol, and I'm allowing that to have like an effect like an alcohol ink. And then after, I'm just wiping away all the excess that I don't want with some more alcohol. Rubbing alcohol, guys, not like the good stuff, even though I'm not gonna lie, it's really hard to find alcohol right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some gold foil leaf, and I'm sorry guys, I do not have a link for this gold foil leaf because this is actually something that I'm kind of working out and trying to perfect right now. So hopefully soon, cross my fingers and hope for the best that it works out and I'll be able to have this available for you guys. So this is just my gold foil, if that's what you guys want to call it. But I love this gold foil, it's absolutely perfect. So all I'm doing here is just going in with some top coat. I know too many layers, but it turned out beautiful, so I'm okay. And I was trying to keep each layer very thin, but I'm just picking up the gold foil with my striping brush. I just used the tip of it. It doesn't have any product or anything like that. It's just a little bit wet from when I cleaned it. And I'm just placing the gold foil where I want it. And this gold foil is really amazing. It's super thin, but it's not super delicate. Like, you're not gonna pick it up and break it in 2 seconds. You can actually move it around on your nail and you could spread it out and stretch it. So it's actually really fun to work with. I was so pleased with how it turned out. I was able to like place everything where I wanted it, and if I wasn't happy with it, I was able to still move it around, and like you can see me just kind of dragging and pulling at it, and it wasn't breaking at all. And if I wanted larger pieces, I just grabbed larger pieces. If I wanted smaller pieces, I grabbed smaller pieces. But you can break it, it's just not as easy to break as some other gold foils that I've used, because they're just so delicate, and as soon as you touch them, they're like falling apart on you. Okay, so now my daughter actually recommended this because I was pretty much done once I top coated the middle finger and the ring finger, but my daughter came in and she was like, "Mommy, you need to add some bling." So I was like, okay, yeah, I'm down for some bling. So I decided to go with some bling, and I just used some AB Swarovskis. So I'm just going in. I don't know what size these are. I'm sorry guys, they're assorted and I'm not gonna try to guess because they're just too many. I don't know, maybe like an SS4 and an SS6. I'm not quite sure. Maybe not even. Maybe like an SS3 and an SS5, something like that, around those kind of sizes. And then I also have these little gold embellishments that I got from Amazon. I will link these down below. I do have the link for these. And I also got the Swarovskis from Michaels. I have a haul on that, so I'll leave a link in the cards, and I'll also have one in the description so you guys can go and check that video out as well. Ooh, and I almost forgot to mention, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you liked watching this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell if you guys want to know every single time that I upload a video or anything that's going to be happening on my channel. Okay, back to the video. So now I'm just going in with some more of that Venalisa crystal gel that I was using earlier, and I'm just gonna put that on the base of my index finger and my pinky finger, and then I'm just going over that with a matte top coat. When I realized that I was going to be going over this again with a matte top coat, I kind of felt like it was pointless for me to have done it in the first place, but I did think that I was completely finished. So, but it's okay, it still didn't add too much bulk. I just put a very thin layer. So now I'm just gonna go in with 3 crystals on my index finger and my pinky finger. They're both gonna be the exact same, and that's pretty much gonna be it for this look. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys all stay safe and stay healthy and stay sane. Sorry, I just had to throw in a little humor there. You know me, always throwing in the little jokes. But definitely be good, guys. Thank you for all your support. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing rest of your day or night, whatever it may be, wherever you are. Bye now.